Hello and welcome back to Gourmet, the Roman kitchen. Today's recipe is a cheesecake from Cato the Elder's De Agricultura, as modernised by Granger and Dalby in the book The Classical Cookbook. This recipe contains 250 grams of ricotta, 90 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 bay leaves, and 1 egg. So start by greasing your pan and then add the 2 bay leaves to the bottom. Next, put the ricotta in a bowl and whisk it until it's smooth. Crack your egg and add it to the ricotta and whisk again. Now while I'm whisking, I'd like to talk a little bit about Cato the Elder. He lived in the Roman Republic in the 3rd and 2nd centuries BC and was an ardent opponent of Hellenization, which was the process by which the Romans adopted their Greek counterparts' opulent lifestyles and abandoned their hard-working agricultural roots. In Cato's mind, anyway. For Cato, farming was the best profession a man could have, and De Agricultura is a how-to book for Romans looking to start. For more on Hellenization and Cato, read the blog entry that comes with today's episode. Now what I'm doing here is sieving in the flour 1 tablespoon at a time to keep the mix light. I'm not going to mix in this last tablespoon of flour, so that when I flour my hands and lift the mix, it doesn't stick. So place this ball in the centre of your baking tray on top of the 2 bay leaves and put it in the oven at about 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Now when you take it out, score the top with a sharp knife and drizzle your honey over the top. You can start eating it while it's hot. It's good. It's surprisingly good for a recipe this simple. It's extremely sweet, and so if you replicate this recipe at home, I'd use a little less honey. And watch out for the bay leaves, because I got a mouthful of one right after I turned the camera off.